Good morning, everyone. Welcome back on Daily Crypto Plan. Wednesday, January 15. We can start to review the market. Good morning, Wu. Good morning, Bucur, Christian, Stefan, and everyone else. Good morning. Okay, people. Let's start reviewing. I think Bitcoin is the best to start on daily. So, you can see here we have a zoom out version from 49.50k to the all-time high, and you can see how the chart is looking. Please tell me why some people are bearish here. I don't get it. Okay, so long reload zone, it's all the way down here if we consider this low and this high. Okay, so all-time high, it's in the long reload zone. It's possible for us at some point in time to touch that area or some FUD or something. Yeah, but that's classic trading. It's just retesting some levels. It's not bearish. Then we have this pump chaser zone, which could be tested at any point in time. You can see this area here is untested, just straight up. But for the moment here we are in a range. We rejected from this support and we are pushing back up. So it's not bearish, it's not bullish, it's just a range. And we can play the range game as long as the market will let us do that. I'll put the other template and zoom in. So range, we had the SFU, we played that one. I closed most of my trades here in the short reload zone. I have a 20% moon bag left here. If the market wants to go straight up, well, okay. But I closed my trades from 90,000. Keep in mind, this is the short reload zone here from this high, from this swing, but we can take the entire range. Swing high, all-time high, and swing low, and then the short reload zone, it's above 100k. We can push all the way up there. Yeah, possible. You can see what it's 78.6 here is just below 61.8 on the entire thing. I could see the market testing again 100k. If we'll accept above 100 and we'll stay above 100k, well, I don't know. For the moment, I'm just playing the range game here. And if I'll zoom in on 4-hour chart, I even posted this one on VIP. What is this location good for? If you have this one, this low, then you are just below 61.8. For what is that location? Just to stay the fuck out of the market and wait for a setup. If the market will come back down here, then you can play something. Okay, you are more aggressive, then draw a pump chaser zone and wait for a long setup. For a short, you don't have enough reasons, you don't have a location. So again, wait. And like Andre is saying in the sorry guys, is saying in the chat, well, if you look at the calendar, we have some news today. So even more, we should stay the fuck out of the market. At least wait for the news, see how the market is reacting, and then we can reconsider and we can start trading again. So my view is pretty simple. Let's stay out of the market. If you have long setups, your long trades, okay, move your stop to scratch, book some partials, and wait in profit. It's a good position. You are in a strong position there. But to hunt new ideas here, honestly, for me, taking Mountain Man short is pretty dangerous here. It's my setup, but in this situation, I'll say, fuck it, no. I'll just leave it alone. I could see Bitcoin reaching 100k in no time in this environment. So, no. So that's Bitcoin. Let's go back on daily here. Overall on Bitcoin, I think it's better to stay the fuck out and wait. If the market will come back down to retest, don't be bearish when we'll retest. Don't be bearish when we'll reach 92 and ask me how low will go. Hunt W's here. If the market will push to 100k, then think fake out. If you have a setup, okay. If you don't have a setup, let it run higher. Simple as that. Let's look at Ethereum versus dollar. Well, it's lagging, that's for sure. Ethereum, it's weaker than Bitcoin. But that could change. For the moment, like I posted yesterday, I'm hunting kind of a Dalai Lama here. So, going sideways, underperforming Bitcoin, and at some point to see a W, and then pushing higher. So I'm hunting long ideas on Ethereum, but I'm waiting for a W on 4-hour chart. I posted on, even on Twitter, I think I posted potential Dalai Lama. So for the moment, I'm waiting. Ethereum versus Bitcoin. Well, you can see clearly it's underperforming here. But this message is still valid. Don't be bearish here. Wait for a W, think long. I'll zoom out on weekly. Look left. Look at the location we have here. Okay? I don't think it's the best idea to be bearish here. This is my 2 cents. Hit the like button, people, if you like this kind of a live stream. You can go on Twitter and repost the tweet if you want to help us out. Okay, now that's Ethereum, that's Bitcoin. Let's go back on daily and let's see total market cap, or actually no, Bitcoin dominance. Not too many things I could say about Bitcoin dominance here. I still think the orange scenario is in play. We are getting closer and closer to the Trump inauguration, and I think we can get pretty violent. And last days before and couple of days after. So prepare yourself. We are in a bull market, indeed. We are strong, but we can see extreme volatility at some point in time. And you know, a dark maul, it's possible. It's crypto. I don't want to hear people say, well, it's impossible. We're talking about crypto here. Okay. Total market cap, pretty simple in my view. Like I said, we retested, nothing bearish. We retested 3 trillion. We are back above. We are making W's, and I think we can push higher if it will be the case. Total 3 similar. We are fighting $1 trillion, people. It's a big, big, fat round number. And people are fighting people. The market is fighting this level. My 2 cents is that we'll accept sooner than later. We'll accept above 1 trillion and then 1.1 and then AB equals CD and we can push higher. But for the moment, we are just fighting that level. As long as we are staying here, market will not go anywhere. 1 altcoin, 2 altcoins, some altcoins will pump, but overall the market will stay flat. Okay, so that's the overview. We have the weekly W retest list, and you look here how many of them already reached that level. They are with green, and there are a lot more on Binance, on KuCoin, similar price action. People, start hunting. I'll say it again. Start hunting on weekly chart, buy the retest, invest smartly. Don't go all in. Don't be the moon boy buying the last. You have the road to financial freedom plan. You have the spreadsheet. Let's say you want different coins. I don't have a problem with that. Go, take that spreadsheet because it's a complete one. A lot of time and effort was put there to make that spreadsheet and give it to everyone for free. Take it, make a copy, modify, put your plan and your coins there and start working. You even have a tutorial how to use that spreadsheet. And it's for free. You just go on the road to financial freedom channel and take the spreadsheet from that channel. If you want a better, I don't know if it's better, we don't know that, but if you want another plan with new coins, you can join premium and you'll have the last chance challenge. A different spreadsheet with a different plan. And you can take all the new coins and follow that plan. But do something. Staying and hoping that on scalping, one trade could make you rich is stupid. I'll tell you that. I'm never keeping more than 20% from my portfolio on day trading and swing trading. Okay? So the big money are on a higher time frame. Okay. So that's total 3 fighting this level. As long as we are fighting this level, is still a good level on a lot of altcoins to buy them. Buy and wait. Don't think if you bought a coin today, it has to go to moon tomorrow. Ask Andrei, if you don't trust me, ask Andrei how many years has from his first investment. And he, dollar cost average, is waiting. Slightly in profit, I think now. And not only Andrei. We have a lot of people who joined us from the beginning of the crypto traders arena. Now they are in a damn good position. They still have to wait like everyone else, but they are in a different position. But they know now already, they already know that the patience will pay off at some point in time. Sooner than later now. Okay. So that's total 3 here. I don't want to go on the entire list with the green. You can see the list. You can go on weekly chart and you can set your own levels. I spoke too many times about this list. Now let's go on the calendar. Keep in mind, I said it a couple of minutes ago. Before the start of the New York session, we'll have inflation rate. So I don't want to hear anyone, VIP, premium, general member, being in a day trade with leverage in that event. You have a lot of time after that to trade. In the event, half an hour before and half an hour later, you should stay the fuck out and don't risk your portfolio. And don't think, well, I have a stop loss. Well, read about slippage if you have a stop loss. So stay the fuck out, please. Okay. So, we have the news. Let's go back on trading part. Look at my 1 hour chart here. We bought here. We bought the Dalai Lama. I have to put the lower time frame so you can see it. Yeah. I closed most of my trades here, both of them. I have 20% left as a moon bag. Simple as that, people. Nothing more, nothing less. From now on, I have to wait because we touched short reload zone and you can see we are rejecting. I will short this level? No. I need more than that for me to short. If we'll make an M, will be below short reload zone. So not a good location. I need the market to push higher, eventually to touch 100K, and then M out. Let's wait and see what we can get there. Simple as that. No, nothing else I could do on this environment and that location. We had a straight up move. We managed to get in. We booked the profit. Now it's time to wait for the next setup. Problem is that some people, they don't have patience to wait and they all try to find a setup where they should not look for a setup. Same people are really scared to take the trade here. Well, if you go lower, well, take the trade. That's the plan. Well, and now they are looking for setups. Think again, people. So, still range. You can see I split it in 4 parts. We are exactly in the middle of the range. What I'm saying every time about the middle of the range. Just let it play itself. Don't play the middle of the range. Middle of the range is good only for one fucking thing. Book profit. Not location for a new trade. Okay? remember, middle of the range is good for one thing only, and it's not the best, but it's good. Yeah, to book some profit. If you bought the bottom or you sold the top, not for a trade location. If the market will give you here, like I said, an M in the short reload zone, okay. Okay. So that's my view on 1 hour Bitcoin. Let's see 1 hour Ethereum. And I'm thinking something like this, because we have a lot of resistance here. We'll fuck around a little bit more, make a W, and this will be a Dalai Lama. If the W will come here at 3,100, or the W will come lower, close to 3,100, or a bit lower, I don't know. But I will try to take the next 1 hour, 4 hour W. Kind of 4 hour is better, but okay. And I'm still thinking long, but it's impossible for me to looking left to long here. I need more details. And the closest setup from that thinking is a Dalai Lama here. Okay. And you can see I made a short list this time. I removed some of them. FET on 4 hour chart. Let's keep it on daily. I think is the best on some altcoins. But keep in mind, we will take the trades on 4 hour and 1 hour. We are looking on daily just to see the location. Do you think FET has a good location on daily here? I think so. So if you zoom in on 1 hour, 4 hour, and you see W's, okay. Similar here, look at this location. You think it's a good one to think long? The market will not stay forever here. So hunt. Look at this one. No W yet, okay, but let's hunt. Let's pay attention. Saga. Good location in my view. Probably some bullish divergence for me, yeah? Secret. Well, it's reaching that 61.8. If you take this swing low and this swing high, then you have a retest of the W and another long reload zone on lower time frame. No? I think so. Well, look at that. So, if you like secret, okay, wait for a W here. Well, until a W daily will come, will take too long. Well, zoom in, 4 hour chart. You kind of have something ugly, but it's there. You can see it. Not the best W. Yeah. Some W's. Not the best ones. But anyway, if you see a retracement, if you see something, you can wait even on lower time frame for a retracement here, and then to play along. There are a lot of ways to play the market. Okay. So, Solana, similar, V bottom. But we can retest, we can look for long ideas. This is a clear rejection here. We can hunt. Let's go back on daily. Nice SFU here, nice reclaim here. Look left. This was a retest of the support area. So hunting with Holy Grail here on Solana, not a bad idea. Well, you can even think about LJs here. You can see M's, but you don't have W's for the moment. Tao. Huh? We touched Mountain Man here. Can you believe it? Can you believe that Stefan and I and other people said, well, I think we can touch long reload zone. 360 was the level. And people said, no, never. Tau will go straight to the moon. And look at it. It's close to that. We touched Mountain Man, we bounced. But just compare it to the other altcoins or in general, this is a weak bounce. Tau, it's weaker than the rest for the moment. For the moment. Well, Sebastian, we had 381. The best we can do, Sebastian, was 381. So sorry for the $19 difference. We'll try better next time. It's still possible, Sebastian. I know you are joking, but it's still possible if Bitcoin will not pump or some bad news or something, or just simply put, we can go back in the long reload zone and make a W. That makes Tao overall bearish? No. But look at the pattern here. You don't want to see something like this on any shitcoin you have. You don't want to see this pattern. You don't want to see this price action on your shitcoin. You just don't want to see that. Well, okay, we are not shorting. Okay, we are in a bull market, but you still don't want to see something like this, because to accept above these levels, it's damn hard. This is a clear pattern, a lot of resistance, and will take a serious pressure to push above $750. Simple as that. Yeah, we can play some setups. If we'll reach the long reload zone, we can play some W's. Yeah, we bought at 200. We are in profit. We made not only one double, we made more than one double here, buying 200. But when we bought 200, nobody wanted to buy Tao. Anyway, next one. TIA. You think TIA will stay for too much time? Let's go on weekly, people. Let's go on weekly. You think TIA will stay for too much time in a $5 area? You really think that? Well, I don't know. I was a buyer here. I bought, I completed my bag. I have an order, I think, at $3, $2 and something. Just hoping for a fat finger there. But, nah. I'm almost full of TIA. I'll wait until the market will reverse and will pump. Will take 1 week, 2 weeks, 1 month, 2 months, 3 months. I don't care. Well, we have yes on weekly, on daily. Let's put daily here. I didn't look at this one for a long time. Okay, we are not exponentially going up. We are trying to aim out, but I think this is a range, people. As long as we are above this level, we are more than okay. The market cannot go exponentially up every moment, every day. No. We need to consolidate. We need to form the next step. And we are forming the next step here. We'll have the strength to push another round, or we'll aim out and we'll go down. I don't know. I think we'll push higher, but just my 2 cents. I'm just a stupid trader that loves to trade level by level with a clear plan and setups. I don't know fundamentally, or I don't do complex analysis. No. Stupid trader approach is making me money, so more than happy. Look at this one. Everyone was scanning their eyes some time ago. Now, you got $50 worth of this one if you scan your eye. Well, if you are stupid, okay, go. Or you can just buy low here, 1.5, sell half on $3, and you have a free position without scanning your eyes. But I'm still thinking W's here in the long reload zone and pushing higher. Okay, I'm on daily. It will take some time. But you can go on 4-hour chart, for example, and hunt some W's here at 78.6. Well, enjoy. About Ripple, look at Ripple, how strong it is. Okay? So if you want to play Ripple, I'm not suggesting. I'm just telling you what I'll do. 15-minute chart or even 5-minute chart, and apply the holy grail. Okay? Why? Look at it, this one. 1 entry, 2nd entry. Like I said, Ripple could do another AB equals CD. Don't think Ripple is at the top and we cannot go higher. This time, last time, Ripple underperformed. This time could outperform. It's still a fucking big shit coin and it's hard to move, but will move. My 2 cents that Ripple will move and this time could do better things than last time. Is the best thing to invest all your money in Ripple? No. But you can trade it with Holy Grail. Look at this one. Yeah? I'm not considering realistic what Ripple Army is saying. Well, we'll go to the moon, we'll be the best. Okay. I'll play level by level and setup by setup. I have a bag of Ripple from the last cycle. This cycle I didn't manage to buy anything else, anything more. But I'm more than happy, you can see it. Almost $3 on Ripple. Why not? Made nice money. Took longer than I thought, but okay. So if you'll get an entry, you can play the Holy Grail if you want. Okay. That being said, that's my list here. We can look at a lot of coins, but they are looking similar, and I don't want to do that because we have the news. I want to tell you about this app, to remind you. Use our referral if you want to join us on Stars Arena. They have some nice things. A lot of prizes, a lot of contests. I'm consistent here, just posting every day, 1 or 2 posts. And if you go on my wallet here, it's nothing secret. You can see. This is the balance I have to unlock. Not a big amount, okay. The price of Arena is low, so we can think about it. But all the coins I got from them, they are already in staking. If I put on staking, you can see. So all the coins they give me, I put them on staking because the API is 30%, the price is low, and I don't want to sell them. What to sell? $700, $800? Nah. Either they'll value more in time or I don't care about this. But it's a nice for people who have a small portfolio, for people who love to spend hours on Twitter or on their phone. You can join here and you can make some content. You can post, you can repost, you can participate in some live streams, and you'll get some Arena, which you can sell or you can stake. But if you have time and in the same time a small portfolio, well, I suggest to come here. Okay. And you can buy tickets. If you know the app, you can buy and sell tickets. Okay. So, for example, our ticket is 0.7 AVAX. You can buy, you can sell. If you find here or you find a new influencer joining Arena and you buy the ticket low enough, well, you can do a 100x on it pretty fast. But you have to pay attention and find that guy. How you can find it? Watch how many followers has on Twitter. But you have to scan, and when you find a guy like that, you just buy 1 or 2 tickets. And if you will start posting and sharing that he's on Arena, people will join, will buy more. And if you are fast enough, you can make some money. I played this game when they started in the first month. And it was a nice game. But I don't have time now to stay and scan the market, hunting influencers. I prefer to classic trade my money. Okay. So, watching the market, today we have big news. We should stay mostly on the sidelines until the news. Like Stefan said, well, Bitcoin dominance at least is not looking as bad as yesterday. Let's put 4-hour chart. 1 hour is looking a lot better, okay? So 1 hour chart, we are at the support here, but we have some M's on 1 hour. So I get the idea why Stefan saying that is looking nice. Yeah, it's looking really nice, but we have some support here. Well, people, I don't see any other question in the chat. Let's call it a live stream. And if you are a premium member, see you in the New York session. If you are a general member, tomorrow morning with the same live stream. Rune, lower time frame? Yeah, let's take a look. If you asked, why not? Okay, let's put a 4-hour chart. If you say lower time frame, I think you are talking about perpetual. Well, we have kind of a bottom here. I need to zoom out. You said lower time frame, but I need to zoom out to find a good location, to see where we are. Well, we have a support here. This is 2023. This looks ugly here. You need a clear W, breakout, and retest. If you consider this low from August 2024, then yeah, you have a damn good location, 88.6. Good location, so you can hunt a W. And okay, let's zoom out on 4-hour chart and wait for a W. If you manage to get, this was a fake out. If you see a W breakout and retest, then okay, you can play something. You have bullish divergence on RSI, OBV trying to confirm the divergence. RSI, MACD, and OBV, yeah. Hunt W's here in this location, it's okay. I like your thinking, yeah. I like your thinking here, but in the same time, I don't think it's a good idea to go even on lower time frame. Too much noise. Too much noise here. 4-hour chart, I think, is the best. What do you want me to do on this one? What I can do on this one? Yeah, indeed, we had a range, we broke to the upside and we are retesting. But I'll be honest, I don't have a location. We just bounced from 61.8 in the dump a couple of days ago. But now is not a good location to do anything. I need the price to come back lower, come back here, and give me a nice W. And then we can push high. That's my 2 cents about this one. Even on 4-hour chart. Let's go on 4-hour chart. You can see we bounced from this support. Okay, nice bounce. But now we need to go back down and do a proper retest. Here you can, on 4-hour chart, you can think about another setup if will form. Not there yet. Take this YAM here and you have a trend line. Okay. Wait for a complete W the other side of this trend line. Simple as that. Now here, nothing you can do. That's my 2 cents. I don't want to play something which is looking like this. Either will go back lower and will give me a W, either I'll just leave it alone. Not enough for a long, not enough for a short, just in an ugly area which I don't want to touch. Okay, people. I have 35 minutes blabbing away by myself. I don't know how many of you are still listening. Hit the like button if you want. If not, hit the dislike button 2 times. See you tomorrow in the same live stream. If you want to join us on Crypto Traders Arena, please do that. Just follow the steps. If you are not getting verified in first hours, I'll kick you out. And if you want to learn how to trade, if you like how I trade, how I trade the market, we'll start the Capo 1 program in a couple of weeks. Yeah, actually 2 weeks and we'll start. If you are interested, join us. See the channel where we have all the details about Capua 1. And you can join us. We still have, I think, 4 or 5 places available for the moment. Some people DM me, but they didn't pay. So the concept here is who'll pay first will get the place. It's that simple. So they know that rule. If you are asking me about Capua 1, that doesn't guarantee you a place. When you pay, you pay, then the place is yours. So I think it's fair and simple for me like that. When we'll have full 20 places, I'll say, well, we don't accept people anymore, and that's it. Okay, let's call it a live stream. See you guys next time. Bye bye.